Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco, and recently I've posted these pictures in a couple of vintage lens communities, asking if anybody would be able to identify, even approximately, what lens was used to take them. As I predicted, nobody got it right, but a couple people got close. The lens I used was a Suntar 35mm f2.8, and with the exception of the uncommon YS mount and a broken aperture, it's really nothing special. From what I could gather, it was made in Japan by Sun Optical somewhere between the 50s and early 80s, but I couldn't really find much information about it. I bought this lens in early 2020. Some of the pictures and video I'm showing you were taken in late 2021, and right now I'm recording this video at the end of 2023, so why did it take me so long? Well, I just didn't like this lens. It's soft and broken. But then, at some point, I realized that it has some of that character that many people look for in a vintage lens. It is soft but still sharp enough in the center. It glows and blooms but has little chromatic aberration. Flares easily but it doesn't wash out completely. Backgrounds swirl but are not too distracting. So did I accidentally stumble upon a dreamy, creamy, bokeh-licious wonder that nobody knows about? No, not really. The truth is that sometimes we forget how many third-party, no-name brand lenses are out there, and that amongst the rubbish, some of them are actually pretty cool. I'm the first to be guilty of that, focusing too much on finding good lenses instead of creative ways to use a lens that might not be able to do what I want it to do. This whole experiment and video just a complicated way to remind myself and all of you to stop overthinking get out, create something with whatever tool you have at your disposal, and just have a good time. With that said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!